How do you track affiliate marketing sales channels? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. In the world of affiliate marketing, one of the key things you need to understand is the value of each individual marketing effort. Just like any other form of marketing, affiliate marketing is a long game. You cannot expect to take out an ad or make a couple of social media posts and have orders flooding in through your sales channels. The key is understanding what works and what doesn't, expand on what is working, and either modify or stop doing what is not working. Every affiliate marketplace or company with an affiliate program has a way to put a tag on your affiliate link and track where the sales are coming from. This tag typically goes on the end of your link. In the example I'm going to show you, that tag is ampersand TID equals, and then the tag name I want to track. This will capture where your sale comes from in your back office, but it's not enough to know how well your marketing efforts are doing. In the typical affiliate marketing business, you will send your leads from your various marketing efforts to a funnel, often a lead magnet funnel, where you capture their email address in exchange for a free gift. An ebook is a common gift here. I'll explain why in a few minutes. If you send all your marketing leads to the same funnel from every marketing source, you will not know which source is working and which one is not. Most email autoresponders have a way to add a tag to the subscriber when you add them to your list. In the example I'm going to show you, the tag will be added in ClickFunnels in the opt-in funnel integration to Aweber, the email autoresponder I'm using. Here we go. First, I need to generate the affiliate link with its tag ID in the back office of the company or marketplace for the product I'm promoting. In reality, once you know the format of the link, you don't need to generate a new link in the back office. You can just replace the text tag at the end of your link with a new tag. Since the company doesn't pre-register these tags for you, they simply use the tag you send them in your link. Now that I have the link for my bridge page in my funnel, and I have the tag I'm going to track, I'll add this link to my bridge page button that sends the lead to the sales page for my affiliate offer. I have multiple buttons on this page, and even one on the mobile version that's not on the desktop version, so I need to remember to add this link to all my buttons. Next, I'll do the integration to my email list from my funnel opt-in page. Here in ClickFunnels, I will edit the opt-in page for my funnel, select the Settings menu and Integrations. Here I pick my integration. The action is Add to List with Tag. I'll pick my email list and the name of the tag. The tag I'm using goes with this particular funnel and matches the affiliate tag. In this example, my tag is a generic tag for the solo ad network UDIMI. I'll talk about what values go on what tags in a minute. Now, when I get a new lead through this funnel, the subscriber will be tagged inside Aweber, so I know which funnel it came from, and if that person buys directly from my bridge page through my affiliate link, I'll know what caused him to buy as well. Here's where it gets interesting, however. The first part was just about the mechanics of how to get a tag on your subscriber. Remember I said we were going to capture the subscriber in my email list? Well, the truth is most of my purchases don't come directly from my funnel. They come from my email list or from the link inside my ebook that I give away as a lead magnet. This means I need unique affiliate tags on the links in my email and my ebook. As you might guess, my email link includes ampersand TID equals email, and my ebook link includes ampersand TID equals ebook name. I have multiple lead magnet ebooks, and each of them has their own unique tag name. When a sale comes directly from any of these sources, I know in my back office at my affiliate company based on the tag. So this process lets me know which funnel and which piece of marketing material directed my lead to the sales process. So how do I add more marketing sources? I clone the funnel and create a new tag. Since I know the format of the affiliate link, I can simply add my own tags. I don't have to go back to the affiliate company. I have generic tags for all social media sites which I use for organic marketing. This means I have a tag for FB, IG, YT, TWT that represent these organic efforts on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Since I have 4 TikTok accounts and I want to track them all, I have TT1 through TT4 to know which account was successful for any given lead. I also run ads. These can be social media ads, Google AdWords ads, and solo ads, so I have tags and funnels that go with these ads. I may not have a unique tag for every ad on every platform, but there is something you need to be aware of when you place ads. The ad copy, video, or image, the opt-in page, the bridge page, and the offer from your affiliate company all need to look and feel the same. The customer should not feel like he's going to multiple companies in this process. This means for most ads, I'm going to create a new funnel anyway, so it's a perfect time to add an identifying tag as well. My opt-in page will echo the message in my ad, and my bridge page will warm them up for the offer. Now when I make a sale, I know where it came from, the path that the person took through my ad, my social media account, my funnel, an email or ebook, and I can see which email message they read that sent them to buy, or which ad pulled them in, or which ebook was particularly successful. This little bit of extra effort results in information that I can use to do more of what works and less of what doesn't. I hope it helps you do the same. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe on YouTube or like and follow on Facebook to let me know I should do more videos like this one. I encourage you to comment and share this with your friends as well. Until next time, life is good.